Workbench for customized equipment. Equipped with a 4-jaw hydraulic self-centering chuck. Automatic centering of workpiece during one-time clamping. Claw travel is large. Solve the problem of lifting large workpieces on the market.
Will collide with the claw. The situation that causes damage to the chuck. Simultaneously solve the problem of clamping with pressure plates after feeding. Search for the edge and center again. The problem of clamping time exceeding processing time.
For claws adopt a detachable style. After disassembly, the workbench is still a conventional platform with its own T-shaped groove.
Improved the usage range of other workpieces outside the ring.
How to use it specifically? Let me give you a complete demonstration.
The first step is to fix the claw securely. Next, we need to place the workpiece onto the claw. Next, use the remote control claw to clamp the workpiece tightly. After clamping the workpiece, there is no need to align it again, can be directly processed.